Yousuf from 5 Minutes Information channel. I welcome you all to episode number 77, and in this episode I will talk about the LinkedIn profile. For viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the URL link in this video description. In this video, I will talk about the three main points about the LinkedIn. Number one, what is LinkedIn? Number two, who can create the profile on LinkedIn? And number three, what are the advantages of LinkedIn profile? Point number one, what is LinkedIn? LinkedIn platform is used for professional networking and career development and allow job seekers post their CVs and employees to post jobs. LinkedIn was launched on 5th May 2003. LinkedIn is a social networking platform, but it is limited with the professional networking and related activities. LinkedIn is one of the most largest platform of the professional networking, spreading near about 200 countries. Here, young and early career professional connect with his or her field leader, experts, and high-profile company. Point number two, who can create profile on LinkedIn network? Number one, student. Number two, early career professional. Number three, job switch or opportunity seekers. And number four, unemployed. Number one, students. Students, those who are studying in any academic discipline, can create LinkedIn profile like medical science and life sciences allied field, engineering, computer science, business administration, law, social sciences, and humanities. It is very vital to create your profile before completing your academic degree. Number two, early career professional. Early career professionals also create his or her profile on LinkedIn network for job placement. Through LinkedIn, professionals have good opportunity to start a career in a good portfolio company. Number three, job switch or opportunity seekers. Those professionals who wants to switch the job and those who are seeking better opportunity to take advantage from the LinkedIn network profile. Number four, unemployed. LinkedIn is also helpful to find job, and unemployed person should create a profile on LinkedIn to find a job. Point number three, what are the advantages of a LinkedIn profile?
Point number three, there are 10 main advantages of LinkedIn profile. Number one, you connect with your professional fellows, peers, senior mentor, researcher, and leader through LinkedIn profile. Number two, as early career professional, you can know that what is happening now in your profession and what trends are going on your field. Number three, you can add your skill and your skills are endorsed by the network fellows, including peer, senior professional, mentor, and others. Number four, you can know and learn what professional trends, job market update through LinkedIn articles and training program. Point number five, as a senior professional, you can recommend your subordinate or junior co-worker profile. Number six, as a job seeker, you can follow the companies where you are interested to hiring or serve. Point number seven, you can also share your professional activities, success stories, and achievement through posts and articles. Point number eight, you can upload your CV so recruiting company may help you in hiring and as well as auto recommend job sent to on your profile. Point number nine, you can also join different LinkedIn groups as per your professional interest. Point number 10, you can send the messages to your connections and take help, guidance, and advices.
We may say that LinkedIn will improve your professional activities. Here I conclude the episode number 77. I hope you will create the LinkedIn profile if you don't have LinkedIn networking connection. and improve the visibility of your professional activities and take advantage of LinkedIn profile. Please comment on this video and don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned with 5 minutes information channel and I will back soon with another informative source. Thanks for watching till the end.